Hyundai I20, 2016, isn't it? 15? The same for the 16. Okay, then this is the map sensor. Here's the map sensor. They go right down here. One screw to pull them out, right underneath the throttle body. I thought to myself, since I've taken the throttle out, that's the throttle body, the throttle out, I made it clean. Look how sooty that is. This needs to be cleaned. Then, can you take a picture, please? This needs to be cleaned. Could have actually touched the picture, but I don't think it's going to harm us. Once you clean this, it's a different car. See all the soot coming up? This is just brake clean. Go to the corners. May as well clean it while I'm here. I don't think there was nothing wrong with it. This car should have had a code that didn't. A lot of the times, some guys buy cars to fix them, and when they get a code they can't fix, what they do is they go thanks to someone who deletes the code from the computer. And I'm thinking that's the problem here. But I don't think there's anything wrong with this. But while I'm here, I may as well clean it. This is where it goes in, right in there. See that throttle body? Right inside there, there's a hole. Where is it? Yeah, right there. Okay. It goes in gently. One screw. Okay, that's all right. We'll put it in. Bye bye.